So, thyroid disorders are often associated with sexual dysfunction issues. Now, both hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism have been linked to erectile dysfunction and ejaculation issues for men, painful intercourse for women, and low libido. What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the Amazingly Fit and Healthy YouTube channel. Guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So we'll be looking at how hypothyroidism affects your sex life. But before we get into this video, I need you to smash the like button and press the notification bell. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Why? Because they need to hear this information. And finally, follow me on all my social media networks. I will leave a link in the description below. Okay guys, so hypothyroidism is a thyroid disease that affects both men and women, but more commonly women. It affects all aspects of your life, and I mean all aspects, one of which we'll be focusing on today, how it affects your sex life. So I know some of you after watching this video will probably be like, oh, so that's what's been happening. So thyroid disorders are often associated with sexual dysfunction issues. Now, both hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism have been linked to erectile dysfunction and ejaculation issues for men, painful intercourse for women, and low libido for both genders. Now, if you watch any of my previous videos, you will have heard me say that once you seek treatment for the condition and you make the necessary changes to your diet, you can live as normal as possible. And according to Cleveland Clinic, it's estimated that as many as 43% of women and 31% of men experience some type of sexual dysfunction. Now, both men and women may find that their desire for sex or even their ability to take part is affected by common symptoms of hypothyroidism, such as fatigue and depression. The good news, however, is that this disease can be treated using medication such as, you will have guessed it, thyroid medication. So there is levothyroxine, which is a synthetic version of T4 hormone thyroxine available under the brand names of Synthroid, Levothyroxine, and others. And these are the primary treatment for hypothyroidism. Now, men with sexual dysfunction who had hypothyroidism improve their symptoms after taking medicine. That is according to studies. Furthermore, after the prescription is altered, a person who is currently taking thyroid medication may see an improvement in sexual performance. So there is hope for you guys. Now, if you choose, another option could be Viagra and Cialis, and obviously there are others. Now, these are effective for treating erectile dysfunction and do not interact with thyroid treatment. Now, I need you to be aware that these medications should not be used if you have uncontrolled high blood pressure, if you had a heart attack, or a sudden worsening of chest pain. Currently, I do not know of any natural treatments for erectile dysfunction, so I just want to tell you to be careful using any of the medications I mentioned. And then there's one for women. It's called Osphina, and this is a hormonal medication for postmenopausal women that targets vaginal alteration that may cause dryness or uncomfortable intercourse. Ow. So it's okay for women with thyroid disease to take, but dryness can be treated with over-the-counter vaginal lubricants. The good news is that your sex life isn't over if you're living with hypothyroidism. In fact, you can easily maintain normal sexual activity. Now, it's important, however, to see your doctor to determine that hypothyroidism is the cause of sexual dysfunction, because many people assume that low libido is due to flagging interest in their partner, depression, or anxiety, when the truth is that an underactive thyroid could be the blame for interfering with your sex life. Now, this is just a by the way, but if you want free recipes for hypothyroidism, then be sure to click the link in the description. So now I'm going to give you some tips that can help you maintain a healthy sex life when you have hypothyroidism. So number one is maintain a healthy weight. Now, an underactive thyroid can cause exhaustion and a rise in body mass, both of which lead to weight gain when combined. Now, when people gain weight, they frequently acquire a poor body image, which is linked to a decreased desire and sexual activity. The good news, however, is that decreasing the weight can improve your thyroid condition and raise your self-esteem, making you a more willing participant in sexual activity. And also, maintaining a healthy weight may be achieved by eating a well-balanced diet. You can reduce your portion sizes, exercise frequently, and take your thyroid medicine as directed. Another tip is take control of your situation. Now, thyroid hormone replacement therapy may be given by your general care physician or endocrinologist.
What did you say?
That can help you maintain a thyroid imbalance. Now, it's critical though that you continue to visit your doctor to tailor your meds to a dose that is right for you. It is possible that your thyroid medication may need to be adjusted after once you start using it. Now, if this isn't working after a week, then don't give up, because it usually takes months for it to be fully calibrated. And the last tip is communicate with your partner. So your partner can become frustrated and even hurt if you're not open, to having sex. So the best thing is to keep him or her in the loop regarding your health condition. Now, I know that some men don't really to open up, concerning erectile dysfunction, but you should communicate with your partner, because open communication is the key in any relationship. So okay guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to hear more from me, then consider becoming a subscriber. Don't forget to like and comment, and remember, if you want free recipes for hypothyroidism, then click the link in the description below. Until next time, bye.